Welcome to High Access, your gateway to unlocking financial success through Amazon. In 2024, diving into the world of Amazon selling isn't just a side gig. It's a pathway to substantial earnings and business growth. Join me as we navigate the steps necessary for your Amazon venture. From the foundational setup of your seller account to the intricate art of product research and crafting compelling listings, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned seller, this comprehensive guide is designed to equip you with the tools and strategies needed to thrive in the ever-evolving Amazon marketplace. At High Access, we're not just about selling products. We're about empowering you to make informed decisions and capitalize on the immense potential Amazon offers. Get ready to delve into the oh no, this word, I don't understand it. Get ready to delve into the nuances of choosing the right fulfillment methods and uncovering the tactics that set successful Amazon sellers apart. Stay tuned as we unpack the secrets, strategies, and steps required to kickstart your Amazon selling journey in 2024. It's time to turn your aspirations into achievements and embark on a profitable and fulfilling entrepreneurial venture with Amazon. Welcome aboard! Setting up your account. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to launching your Amazon selling journey and turning it into a cash flow stream. Let's embark on this adventure by diving into the most important step, setting up your Amazon seller account. First things first, deciding on your seller type is crucial. Are you looking for a small scale operation? Go for the individual seller account. Perfect for those aiming to sell less than 40 items a month. Perfect for those aiming to sell less than 40 items per month. For the high flyers eyeing substantial volume, the professional seller account catering to more than 40 items monthly is your go-to. Now, let's navigate to the heart of Amazon Seller Central. Simply head over to the Amazon Seller Central webpage, whether it's the US domain or the specific one for your country. Signing up is as easy as pie. Follow the prompts, filling in essential details, from business particulars to your bank account info for those lucrative payments. Choosing your fulfillment method adds another layer of strategy. Will you opt for the convenience of Fulfilled by Amazon (FBA), letting Amazon handle shipping, or the hands-on approach of Fulfilled by Merchant (FBM), where you take charge of shipping directly to customers? Setting up your Amazon seller account isn't just about creating an account. It's about laying the groundwork for a profitable empire. It's the first step on your journey to financial empowerment. Imagine the thrill of seeing those first sales roll in, knowing you've set the stage for success. Here at High Access, we're all about empowering you to make savvy financial moves. So buckle up and stay tuned as we unravel more insights, strategies, and insider tips to elevate your Amazon selling game and transform your financial landscape. Get ready to turn that entrepreneurial spark into a roaring blaze of success. Let's make those dreams a reality together. Choosing your fulfillment method. Let's talk about the Fulfilled by Amazon (FBA), the hassle-free option that streamlines your operations. With FBA, you ship your products off to Amazon's vast warehouses. Once your items are in, Amazon takes charge of the heavy lifting, picking, packing, and shipping whenever orders flood in. It's like having a trusted partner handling the logistics for you. However, bear in mind that there are additional fees involved, including storage and processing charges. It's a convenience at a cost, but for many, the benefits outweigh the expenses. On the flip side, we have Fulfilled by Merchant (FBM), where you, the seller, become the master of your own shipping destiny. With FBM, you're responsible for sending products directly to your customers. This method offers more control over your inventory and fulfillment process. It's like being your own conductor, orchestrating the shipping symphony. However, keep in mind that while it offers control, it also demands more effort on your part. Choosing between FBA and FBM is like navigating two distinct paths in your Amazon journey, each with its own perks and considerations. Are you seeking the ease and efficiency of Amazon's logistic prowess, even with added costs? Or do you prefer the hands on approach, managing your shipping process but enjoying more control? At High Access, we're all about to unpack further strategies, tips, and tricks to optimize your fulfillment methods, ensuring your Amazon venture is not just lucrative but also tailored to your preferences. Get ready to master the art of fulfillment and propel your Amazon selling game to greater heights. Your success story is waiting to be written, and we're here to guide every chapter. Hey, I hope you're finding these tips useful. Hey, I hope you're finding these tips helpful. But hey, before we continue, level with me. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Is there something specific you're excited to learn more about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is like fuel for us to keep bringing you more valuable content. Next up, product listing. Now that you've mastered the art of setting up your seller account and optimizing your fulfillment methods, let's dive into the critical phase of listing products, where the magic of sales truly begin. When it comes to listing products on Amazon, there are two main avenues to explore. Oh my god, what is this word? Take two. When it comes to listing products on Amazon, there are two main avenues to explore: arbitrage and wholesale. Take three. When it comes to listing products on Amazon, there are two main avenues to explore: arbitrage, wholesale, and private label. In the arbitrage and wholesale approach, you're dealing with existing products available on Amazon. It's like stepping into a ready-made arena. You simply find a product, hop onto its existing listing, and input your details, becoming a part of the selling game. Alright, take two of that. You simply find a product, hop onto its existing listing, and input your details, becoming a part of the selling game. On the flip side, we have private label, akin to building your own empire within Amazon's kingdom. This involves crafting a brand new listing from scratch. It's your chance to shine with unique branding, packaging, and product identity. Creating a new listing allows you to stand out in a sea of options, carving your niche in the market. Now, let's talk about the listing process itself. For existing listings, it's a breeze. Locate the product you're selling, hit sell this product, and voila, you're on your way. But if you're venturing into the uncharted territory of creating a new listing, select I am adding a product not sold on Amazon, and let the prompts guide you through the process. It's your canvas to paint your product story and make it stand out in the marketplace. Take two of that part. It's your canvas to paint your product story and make it stand out in the marketplace. Choosing between arbitrage, wholesale, and private label is like deciding between following a well-trodden path or forging your own. Each avenue offers its perks and challenges, shaping your Amazon journey uniquely. Next up, product research. Product research. Now that you've navigated through setting up your account, choosing your fulfillment method, and crafting compelling listings, take two. Now that you take three. Now that you've navigated through setting up your account, choosing your fulfillment method, and crafting compelling listings, let's dive deeper into the pivotal realm of product research and supplier selection, the cornerstone of a successful Amazon venture. To truly excel, honing your product research skills is key. Tools like Helium 10 become your best buddies here. Set those filters: price range, monthly revenue, review count, weigh, and category to scout out potential winners. analyze the competition, identify gaps, and uncover those hidden gems that could skyrocket your sales. But finding a winning product is only half the battle won. Next up, it's time to secure reliable suppliers. Platforms like Alibaba offer a treasure trove of sourcing opportunities for bulk purchases. Take two on that. Platforms like Alibaba offer a treasure trove of outsourcing. Take three. Platforms like Alibaba offer a treasure trove of sourcing opportunities for bulk purchases. Hunt for suppliers with a stellar track record. Take two. Hunt for suppliers with a stellar track record, verified status, and clear terms, like those who facilitate shipping directly to Amazon's warehouses, streamlining your logistics. Now, let's talk about the initial contact with potential suppliers. Utilize pre-written email templates to fire off inquiries covering crucial aspects. These could be pricing, shipping details, warranties, and more. Cast your net wide, reaching out to multiple suppliers. It's not just about gathering information. It's about comparing offerings and negotiating terms that work best for your business. Product research and supplier selection are akin to treasure hunting in the digital age. It's about identifying opportunities and forging strong partnerships to propel your Amazon business forward. Putting that research to work. Putting that research to work. The fifth crucial step in our journey is linking our product research prowess with smart supplier selection. It's like merging the best of both worlds for the ultimate profit. Take two. It's like merging the best of both worlds for ultimate profitability. Now that you've scouted potential winning products and connected with Take two. Now that you've scouted potential winning products and connected with suppliers, it's time to crunch those numbers. Calculating profitability is the name of the game here. Take the costs provided by your suppliers and align them against your estimated selling prices. This simple yet critical step helps you gauge the potential profits each product could bring in. By marrying your product research findings with the offerings from your suppliers, you're creating a roadmap to ensure that every product you select isn't just promising, but profitable too. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this pivotal step and uncover more strategies to optimize your profitability on Amazon. The path to success is about making informed decisions, and we're here to steer you toward maximizing your gains and minimizing the risks. Proceeding with supplier after account verification. Choosing the right supplier is akin to finding the perfect collaborator for your business journey. Consider the terms, offerings, and alignment with your goals. When you found out that golden match, it's time to seal the deal. Take two. When you found that golden match, it's time to seal the deal. Proceed with the supplier whose terms resonate with your vision and business objectives. But wait, before you embark on substantial purchases, ensure your Amazon seller account is verified. Verifying your account is crucial, serving as a green light for significant transactions and cementing your credibility within the Amazon ecosystem. So buckle up. You've made informed decisions, aligned your goals with the right supplier, and verified your Amazon account. You're pretty much all set in launching your very own Amazon account. We're on the verge of an exciting journey, and you're geared up to make substantial strides in your Amazon selling. Welcome to the finale of High Access, your blueprint to Amazon success, where we're about to unleash your potential as an Amazon seller. As you gear up to kickstart your selling journey, here are the final steps and some golden nuggets of wisdom to ensure you soar high in the Amazon skies. Once your inventory is primed and your seller account is active, it's showtime. Start selling and let those products work their magic in the marketplace. But remember, success isn't just about starting. It's about sustaining and thriving. Monitoring performance is your secret sauce. Keep a close eye on how your listings are faring. Optimize whenever needed and be adaptable. The Amazon world is ever evolving, so adjusting your strategies is key to staying ahead in the game. Here are some bonus tips to keep in mind for a flourishing Amazon venture. First, play by the rules. Staying compliant with Amazon's policies is a non negotiable for a smooth sailing experience. Next up, ace your customer service game. Happy customers mean rave reviews and repeat business. Never settle for good when great is within reach. Continual improvement is your mantra. Regularly evaluate and fine tune your listings, pricing strategies, and overall approach to achieve stellar results. Lastly, keep your finger on the pulse of market trends. Staying updated, adapt your product selection accordingly, and remain agile in your choices. Take two. Stay updated, adapt your product selection accordingly, and remain agile in your choices. Being in sync with market dynamic sets you up for long-term success. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to embarking your Take two. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to embarking on your Amazon selling expedition. Armed with these insights, strategies, and tips, you're well equipped to navigate the Amazon waters with confidence and finesse. Stay tuned for more expert advice and insights on High Access, where your journey to Amazon success continues. Cheers to your prosperous Amazon venture ahead. Thanks for joining us on this Amazon selling adventure at High Access. Your journey to financial success has just begun. Remember that insights we've shared are your compass, guiding you through the ever-evolving Amazon landscape. Stay tuned for more tips, hacks, and strategies to evaluate your Take two. Stay tuned for more tips, hacks, and strategies to elevate your Amazon game. Your success is our priority at High Access. Until next time, keep striving, keep selling, and keep reaching for those heights of achievement. Go for it and conquer the Amazon marketplace.